My name is Shu Yi, and the mastery skill is origami. I like handwork, however, paper folding is. I always practice every week, maybe twice or third one week, and I spend almost time to practice 3D model by using paper. I get idea for my head as well. I know exactly how I want to look. My guide is my high school art teacher. She demanded us make 3D model by a piece of paper at handwork class. I always work hard and I can get some interesting idea for my heart. I believe it can help me to become a great artist.